Yung isa sa
Deromas.
So, ayan. Ay. Si Auntie Annie Joy. Auntie ka na talaga. Auntie Annie. So, nagkuha ka na din?
Oo, meron na.
Nakakatuwa.
Kukunin lang nila.
Thank you so much.
Sales. Okay? Ayoko ng sales kasi sabi nila sa sales daw, kasi daw commission basis no? So sabi nila, operate this business. It's the same way here in life. Okay? If you become a financial advisor in life, that gives you the authority to represent a brand who's been in the business for
about your and share to us your in-life story. So
ladies and gentlemen, let us all welcome Mr. Chink Positive himself, Mr. Chinky Kai.
But before we do that, I'd just like to ask who among you are currently following me at my social media channel? Okay, FYI, only intelligent people follow me. So, sir, if you want to be more intelligent, you know already what to do.
Oo, magkaedad tayo.
Attending Opportunity Business Forum with Chinky Tan.
Diba? Walang social media.
Over there.
Oo, so going back, and 30K times 12 months is 360,000. Times mo yung 40 years, more or less ang lifetime income mo, di ba? Well, nagigits nyo, wala, multiple. So the kabayo will push the karwahe. It should be the other way around. So if you want to run a profitable business, ang unang iisipin, sino? Sino ang gusto kong tulungan? Hindi yung sino ang gusto kong bentahan. And that was the mistake that I did in the past. Kasi iba yung mindset sa akin ng magulang ko eh. Both of them are Filipino-Chinese. Ang mindset sa akin yung mga single, anak lahat, pwede kita pasok. Hindi, totoo yan. Di ba? Parang mindset, konti kita dito, konti kita. Parang grupo nakikita. Pero in reality, konti lugi, grupo lugi. I was a jack of all trades, master of what? None. Now, next question that I would like to ask you. Do you believe that experience is the best teacher?
Yes.
Please, starting today, correct it. There are certain experiences in life. Let me say, charge to experience. Drinking a bad coffee, charge to experience. Watching a bad movie, charge to experience. Eating in a bad restaurant, charge to experience. But there are certain experiences you can never charge to experience. Like choosing your husband and wife. Talk to a single parent with 4 kids. Single parent, siya nagsusupport. O, kumusta na buhay? Perfect. Experience the best teacher. Investing your retirement fund in a failed business. Kamusta? Experience the best teacher. Our OFW, 30 years of his savings or her savings invested in a scam. Okay lang, experience. No offense, friends. It's either you're in pride, dumb, or ignorant. You don't want to know the best experience? Yes or no? Ayun mo na. Sige. You want to know why? Convince me. Huwag mo, please. Why lang? Learning from other people's mistakes and experiences is the best teacher. Please, rewards. If the reward is greater than that, please consider, not take up, consider, pray about it. Number two, ito yung important question, especially for husband and wife. Dito tayo nagkakatalong minsan. Kung among you are married, kung among you are happily married. Iba yun. Hindi kasi minsan sa couple, yung isa risk-taker, yung isa conservative. Diba, ikaw naman naghahanap ng paraan, tapos siya pa yung nagnenega. Tama ba rin? May makakalala kayong tao talaga nilika ni Lord ang pampabigat ng buhay ko. Nasa kanan pa nga. Lagi na sa kanan sa nilayon mga taong nega. Nasa kaliwa. Kung asawa mo, hiwalayan mo. Joke lang yan. Sorry, no return, no exchange. No. Kasi ito lang You as a couple, you must agree. Everybody say agree.
Agree.
I don't believe every spending decision, every investment decision, every opportunity must be a corporate decision. The two will become as one. Hindi pwede kanya-kanya yan. That's the reason why nagkakaroon tayo ng problema. Lalo na pamilihin mo yan. No matter how good your intention may be, ito yung masakit eh. Maganda intention mo, pero nagkamali ka, patay ka. Agree?
Yeah.
So ngayon, how can you know you as a couple, you're making the right decision in terms of risk? Simple lang. Ito yung question. I hope that you will record this. Expect the best. Prepare for the
worst.
Ganun pa natin isipin mo. Kikita yan. Maganda opportunity yan. Pero mag-plan ka na. Prepare for the worst. Ito yung question that you should answer as a couple. Just in case I made a mistake, can we recover? Can we recover? Can we rebound? If the answer is yes, go ahead. You will never know if it will work until such time you try. Kahit na 10 years kayo mag-isip maganda kaya ito. Paano malalaman na marunong ka na mag-swimming? Ano ka sa swimming pool? Nagigets nyo? Kahit na mag-cum laude ka, more years, exams, oral, written, verbal, pag talong mo sa swimming pool, sumakong laude ka, nalulod ka, useless! Hindi, agree? And then the last, yung sinasabi ko, I can recover. Yun. And then use the 10% rule na tinulong kanina. Everybody say 10%. 100% ang pera mo, 1 million, 100,000 lang. Nawala, we can recover. Anyway, nawala ng 10%. Agree? Huwag na 100%. Are you learning so far? Yes or no?
Yes.
Nagsisisi kayo na pumunta kayo?
No.
Buti naman.
Ay, happy ang person nakapagpa-signature ng book niya kay Mr. Chinkitan at meron pang free groupie. Thank you so much, Josepa din, for inviting me here. Had a lot of fun and learned so much from Chinkitan. Thank you so much, bro. Sobrang sulit yung pagluwas namin dito sa Makati. Ganito talaga yung mga seminar na talagang pinupuntahan yung meron ka ng free seminar, meron ka pang free breakfast, at meron ka pang free lunch, at talaga namang
here and then signature over there. Are you gonna buy or are you gonna buy? So guys, you also have a free Wendy's. Guys, we're now traveling. Single
Welcome
journey.
to Manila.
Manila.
From Morocco.
We're going to EDSA. From province of Quezon. So, this is our first time. First time na mag-MRT.
Riding the MRT.